List is a type of variable that stores multiple items individually, separated by commas, and use square brackets. The print function displays all items in the list. To display a specific value in the list, you need to enter the location of the item in the print function. To display the first item in the list, enter the value 0 inside the function. Python starts counting at 0. So to retrieve the first item, the value 0 is used inside the function, and for the second item it's 1. To retrieve the last value, enter -1 inside the function and -2 for the second last value. Items can be added or removed, and Python has functions to do this. The append function is used to add items to the list. The item is added to the end of the list. The insert function is used to add an item to a specific location, by entering the position first and then the item. The del function is used to remove items. The del function requires the position of the item. Here the last value is deleted. If the location of the item is unknown, use the remove function. This function only requires the name of the item. The pop method is used to remove an item from a list and store it as a string in a variable. The len function returns the amount of items in a list. To sort a list, use the sort function. To reverse the order, type reverse is true inside the function. The sort function changes the actual order of the list. To preserve the original order but still display it in a sorted way, use the sorted function. Thanks for watching, and please like the video if it helped.